If you're under 25, this video might be the most valuable video you'll ever watch because I'm about to break down 7 high-income skills. Skills that turn your time into leverage. Skills that separate people who build wealth from people who just work hard and stay broke. And the best part, you don't need all 7. You just need to pick one skill and commit to mastering it, because while everyone else is waiting for the perfect moment, the people who learn these skills are already winning. So stay with me till the end, because by the time this video is over, you'll know exactly which skill to build. Let's start with skill 1, AI automation and prompt engineering. This is the greatest unfair advantage you can build in 2026. AI doesn't replace you, it multiplies you. Tasks that take hours can now be done in minutes. Work that needs teams can run on a single command. And prompt engineering isn't about knowing tech. It's about commanding it, controlling it, making it think, write, build for you. Because the quality of your prompt decides the quality of your result. That's why companies are paying insane money for this skill, because it saves them time and multiplies their output. Learn this and you're not just valuable, you're irreplaceable. 2, coding. Code is the skill that lets you build anything you imagine. Apps, websites, systems that generate income while you sleep. This isn't just about writing lines. It's about solving problems, creating tools, building things people use every day. And the best part? You don't need a degree. You don't need connections. You just need focus and time. Master this, because the future belongs to those who know how to create. 3, data analytics. Every decision a company makes is based on data. Data analytics is the ability to look at numbers and see patterns, see trends, see the future before it happens. You turn raw data into insights that save companies millions. You find the problems nobody else sees. You predict what's coming before the competition even notices. This skill is insanely valuable because businesses run on decisions, and decisions run on data. Companies pay massive salaries for people who can analyze data and turn it into strategy. 4, copywriting. Copywriting is the art of turning words into money. One sentence can make someone click. One paragraph can make someone buy. One email can generate thousands in revenue. That's the power of copywriting. And this isn't about writing beautifully. It's about writing strategically. Understanding human psychology. Knowing what makes people click, what makes them trust, what makes them buy. Because the right words don't just communicate, they convert. And companies pay insane money for people who can do it well. 5, video editing. Video editing is one of the most in-demand skills in this generation. Every brand, every creator, every business needs one thing: high-quality videos, and most of them can't edit it themselves. That's why the demand for video editors keeps growing. Video editing isn't just about cutting clips. It's about storytelling, turning raw footage into something people can't stop watching. The right cut makes people feel. The right transition keeps them hooked. The right edit makes content go viral. That's why YouTubers, brands, and agencies need editors who understand pacing, emotion, and impact. Master this skill, and your portfolio will speak louder than any resume ever could. 6, content creation. Content creation is the skill of turning ideas into influence. One video can reach millions. One post can build trust. One idea can change your life. This isn't just about posting content. It's about understanding people, what they watch, what they feel, what makes them stay. Because in today's world, attention is the most valuable currency. And those who know how to capture it control the game. Master this, and you won't chase opportunities, you'll attract them. 7, sales. Sales is not about convincing people to buy things they don't need. Sales is about solving problems people already have. And that skill pays more than almost anything else. Because companies don't make money from ideas. They make money from customers. And if you're the person who brings them, you're irreplaceable. Master sales and you'll never worry about money again. If this video helped you, don't just watch it, use it, own it, dominate it. Pick one skill, commit to it, and start today. Because the difference between your current life and the life you want is just one skill away. Comment below which skill you're going to master first. And don't forget to